I got it all built. I've got the counterweights mounted in here, and I've got some washers here. You can see each one has a different number of washers. And let's fire it up. And considering it's got 35.5 pounds on it, the wobble in the whole chassis basically is there from the original setup. So we're running this whole thing now on 0.5 amps AC. So it's about 60 watts of power, and I've got the ECM coming in here and here, but I'm not using the storage caps in these two locations, and I'm getting 27 volts DC out here and here. I'm going to parallel that up and see what kind of current I can get. And so that's where we are right now.